All right, I want to talk to you for a second about Sensi by Copeland. Sensi is an incredible line of thermostats. They're aesthetically great to look at. They're very easy to work with. And as always, Copeland and Sensi are committed to protecting the consumer's data, so we're not sharing it all over the place like many other manufacturers do. But one of the things I want to let you know about as far as a contractor's perspective is the contractor branding. So you can print your company's name and number or have it programmed on the display and available in the relevant apps on a wide range of Sensi thermostats. Copeland offers contractor branding on the traditional thermostats by white-rodgers. That's the 70 and 80 series thermostats, as well as the Sensi Smart thermostats. On the thermostats with static printing, obviously it's right there. And then for the thermostats where it's programmed into the app and within the actual thermostat control itself, when the system's having trouble, the customer's going to see your company's name and number on their thermostats so they know who to call. And one of the things I love about this is how easy Sensi makes this. In my experience, they make this much easier to do than most other manufacturers. So there's these two different plans for pro contractor branding. You have digital for the smart thermostats, free digital contact information on the front screen of the Sensi Touch 2, in-app branding, so actually in the app itself on all Sensi Smart thermostats, and in-email branding for all Sensi Smart thermostats. Then you have the printed option, which is a great option for any of the thermostats, free printed logo contact information on many of the fronts, backplate logo printing for 80 and 70 series and Sensi Smart thermostats, and backplate logo printing for 70 series, 80 series Smart thermostats, Sensi Touch 2, and Sensi Lite thermostats. So how do you do it? It's easy. You simply go to hvacrschool.com/contractor-branding. We're going to link in the description and on the screen. So if you want to save that link, here it is, hvacrschool.com/contractor-branding. Select the thermostat you'd like to brand. The printed ones cover the 70 and 80 series thermostats. Upload your company's logo or contact information, and the team at Sensi will give you an imprint number to take to your local wholesaler or distributor or call and place your thermostat order. So again, why choose Sensi? All the reasons I mentioned, easy to use. They protect your consumers' data, which is something consumers definitely care about, studies have shown. Aesthetically, they're beautiful thermostats. And for contractor branding, they have a large and flexible imprint area. It's permanent, so your customers know who to call without worrying about stickers fading or falling off. And you choose whether you have a logo or text or both, and you have the digital option as well, which is also amazing and easy to set up. So to find out more about the entire Sensi line from Copeland, go to sensi.copeland.com. Participate in contractor branding. The link is right here, as well as in the description. Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community. For techs, by techs.